we've been asked to show that the expression here is an even number. So what I'm hoping for is that once I've expanded it, I'm going to get an expression inside a bracket out of which I can take a factor of 2. Because you see, it doesn't matter what the expression is in here, of n's and 1's and 2's and whatever, if I can multiply the result by 2, this I can say is even. Okay, we're going to multiply this bracket out, so let's write it out as 2 brackets, and then we copy and paste this last bracket, 2n plus 1, all under the control of the negative sign. That will be significant later. Okay, multiplying this guy out, and we get 2n times 2n is 4n squared. Now the underneaths, this gives 2n, this gives another 2n, so this is 4n. Looks hopeful because this is all even so far. And the second of the eyebrows gives plus 1. Oh dear, that's odd. Okay, but now if we take this bracket apart, the negative sign controls both of the inmates of the bracket, so we get negative 2n, negative 1. Oh good, our problem disappears. So, tidying up, I've got 4n squared plus 4n minus 2n. I think you can see that's even already, but let's do a tiny bit more work. 4n take away 2n, so this will be equal to 4n squared plus 2n. And yes, we can take a factor of 2 out of that, leaving us with 2n squared plus n. And because we've got this looking like the expression above, we've got a 2 out, I can say that that expression is even. And that is your answer.